Hey everybody, you're actually joining me, well, on the driver's seat of a Toyota RunX. It's a 140, which is a 1.4. Actually, huge thanks to you guys. This is a viewer's car. It's got a couple of issues that we are gonna talk about. But phase one, I am driving it home. Yeah. It's currently being driven to the house. It's a little slow. We've got an engine check light. It's got a very bad misfire. But we're rolling. The owner's right up front in that Corsa, if you can see. But yeah.
Dark side, light this bitch up.
I get off floor bowling motor, I'm living my life, it ain't different my dog. Working so hard to get everything that I be getting, it different my dog. Switching them lanes, traveling places, it's not for them social my dog. I'm on my grind, getting that paper, I sit for whole backs on my dog. Wait, relax on my dog, relax on my dog. Whoa, space, relax on my dog, relax on my dog. Relax on my dog, relax on my dog. Relax on my dog, relax on my dog. Whipping them forest, not for the flesh. Switching them legs, man, it's just for the taste. So better the cheapy dog is my aesthetic. All of these GP, I still they get steady. Yeah, bo, on swara rapid. I'm just trying to live my life as a sail. Lo better the cheapy fella as a sail. Swara nyigo me dogo get will pillow. Yeah, sure, but to me lego. Check who you let in your life, it will pillow. But don't let them hold you back from we that dealer. Cause everyone tells my reaction is zero. Nah, doggo, I'm not a hero. Pula gape, mobi mula que dimo. Ah, Joe, Nagi Radilo, Baladi Buga for President Divus. I'm checking them papers, I'm in my stripes. I walk in Adidas and check like Naga and bad, I'm so my dog. I'm checking them papers, I'm in my stripes. I walk in Adidas and check like Naga and bad, I'm so my dog. I get off floor bowling motor, I'm living my life, it ain't different my dog. Working so hard to get everything that I be getting, it different my dog. Switching them lanes, traveling places, it's not for them social my dog. I'm on my grind, getting that paper, I sit for whole backs on my dog. Please, wait, relax on my dog, relax on my dog. Whoa, space, relax on my dog, relax on my dog. Please, wait, relax on my dog, relax on my dog. Whoa, space. Relax on my dog, relax on my dog. I'm living my life, man, didn't I say favor. Get pilele when I hold it on favor. I'm on my grind, getting that paper. In my life, I never needed saviors. Niggas will make you pay for all the favors. Kinda like sis, Jogi DC. Didn't get feeling my now to paper. Rambo my haters, but 20 machine. 9/11, man, you said it to paper. I never.
Hey, what's good, everybody? So you saw the car, right? Brought it back home. I actually started working on it a little bit, but I want to show you a little bit around it. Show you some of the problems it actually has. It's very interesting. But before we go any further, guys, I actually want to say thank you, because this car was actually from a viewer of the channel. He saw me on Twitter, he found the channel on the explore page. I really appreciate it, man. It's giving me more opportunities to get to work on cars as well, because I've been doing it privately, but it's really cool to see you guys actually engage with me on a more public level and using the platforms as well. So now we're going to have a look at the car and see what's up. Got an engine check light. It's got a very rough idle. And all the lights. Boom, I already took out the battery. This is where the battery goes. I already took out the intake pipe and the air filter box. You want to see that? Look, this is the air filter. It's shot, it's bad. It's the air filter box, it's dirty. Yeah, this is exactly what I found in here. Battery tray, but more problems. Have a look. We've got a leaking pipe. We've got bad wires. I don't know what's going on there. That's a sensor wire that's supposed to be plugged, but it's not. Let's get the flash involved. Yeah. Look at that. And that. And that. And the coils. Coil wiring is dodgy. One coil is not original because apparently it wasn't firing properly. And then the big problem, I've actually removed the wheel as well. Got a bad oil leak. But this is a crank pulley, and it kind of vibrates. We've got the shaking pulley. What else do we have? Bad brakes. We've got an engine check light. That might be because of the bad misfire, and the wiring as well. So we're gonna have to try to fix all that. We'll see more issues as we go, but that's what I've seen thus far. And then some of the PVC piping, like around here, the PVC piping has gone sketchy. This one is very brittle. It seems like it's about to break and it's cracked there. So I'm gonna see what's up with that. Maybe we get a replacement hose, or maybe I cut and join, but I don't think so. It's really hard, so I don't want to reuse that. And why is there tape here? There might be a leak as well. We can't have any crankcase ventilation leaks, otherwise the car doesn't even idle properly. We've seen this a lot of times. And then the fan's been bypassed. Whenever you start the car, this thing kicks to high boost. Yeah. What else can we see? That's all that I can see so far. And then there's a leak behind there, just down below. We'll get to that later, but for now, we solve the crank pulley because it makes the engine vibrate and shake really bad. And then we solve the wiring and these, because maybe the injectors aren't even like delivering fuel properly. But there was a very serious fuel smell. Even like literally when you just open here, let me see if we still have the fuel smell. It's not as bad as it used to be, but it's there. So maybe we have a leaking injector, I don't know. But we'll find out, because I'm gonna test them. I'm gonna remove them one by one and just test them. But yeah, guys, we've got our work cut out for us. I also want to get some carb cleaner and get this removed and cleaned. And yeah, see that? Bad. Anyway, let's dive right into it, guys. This is just a bit of an update, well, an overview of this week's project. And I'm gonna try to film as much as I can, but we only have a week with this car. So yeah, let's get it. Okay, so phase one, I want to solve the crank pulley because it's vibrating the engine and I can't really run the engine because it's actually chowing the belt as well. I don't know if you notice here, right here, a lot of the belt has actually come off. So that tensions itself. I need to get a 19 here, but I'm gonna do it another way. Just gonna loosen the alternator so the belt can just loosen up. Because I can't get, and there's not enough room to work on this car. It's one of the reasons why actually. Yeah, I'm not feeling it right now, but it's okay. I got this. See the crank pulley? Just below. See that one? There. Yeah. But that's the one we gotta get off. Now, you all know what this is. I'm about to remove the belt, so. Okay guys, so you've got the tensioner loose and the belt's out. That's a good thing, because now we can work on the crank pulley by itself. Okay guys, we have to get the pulley out. So I've gotten as far as like beating it, like getting I jammed this to the body of the car, and then this, I basically had a hammer to it as if it was an impact, just like light but fast taps, just basically light but fast. See, so it's supposed to be lefty loosey, righty tighty. So I'm tightening it, which means I should be going that way. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a big pulley bolt. It's so huge, but there it is. Okay, let's get a tool. Able to film, but we found this also on the other link, but she's out. Here's our